Happy birthday, Brother Ryan. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health, syempre, happiness. Enjoy mo lang ang iyong kaarawan. Happy. Be happy lagi. I remember the funny moments when you are here. Ay yung kumakanta ka na iniiba mo ang words sa kinakanta. Nakakatawa. At itataas mo ang iyong daliring kamay sa taas na parang may kami naman ay napapatingala. Yun.
Sabay.
Nasasabayan namin yung ano mo sa yung daliri mo sa taas. Once again, happy birthday, Golden Boy.
Happy birthday, my dearest brother, Brian Zubilag de Mayo. Deliosa na pati. Kasi you are a member of the family. Wishing you all the best in the world, especially good health. Kasi hindi na tayo bumabata, tayo tumatanda na. You're already 50 years old, so mag-ingat sa katawan. What makes Ian funny? Whenever you send AI pictures na may kasama ni Ivana Alawi, yung iyong kuya din doon, tawang-tawa doon. And then when you're telling jokes, kakatawa rin, bentang-benta parang pang-clowns. And you are very important to the family because you are first and foremost my only brother. You are my siblings. And you put family together whenever you're here. Kaya talagang sobrang thankful ako doon. And thank you for making our house a home. Pag dumarating kayo, nagkakakulay, nagkakabuhay yung bahay na ito. Kaya thank you. So, kayo ay welcome lagi dito. So, again, happy birthday. Mag-iingat palagi from your sister. Mag-ingat.
Ingat palagi.
Thank you so much and happy
Thank you so much.
birthday. Happy birthday,
Happy
Golden
birthday,
Boy!
Golden Boy.
Happy
Happy birthday,
Tito Ayan! Happy birthday, Tito Ayan! Wishing for more adventures to come and happy memories together.
Ako. Happy birthday, Tito Ayan. Sana mahaba pa ang buhay nating lahat. At maraming lakad pa natin, pagbabanding, makasama pa habang buhay. Yan.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Wishing you good health, happiness in life, and ingat kayo palagi. What makes Tito Ayan funny?
Nakakatawa si Tito Ayan kasi nagsasabi siya ng mga corny jokes na nakakatawa.
Ikaw.
Nakatawa si Tito Brian dahil sa mga pagmukhang ganito. Yan. Sa mga kutsura niyang katawa-tawa. Yan, ganyan.
Okay, nakakatawa siya dahil, tama, sa pagbibigay ng mga corny jokes. At, of course, sa mga ganitong pagmumukha. Okay, why Tito Ayan is so important to our life?
Dahil, siyempre, nag-iisang tito sa magkakapatid ni nanay. Yan, dahil siya yung naging pinakang pundasyon ng lakas. Dahil sa isang lalaki sa kanilang magkakapatid.
Bakit important si Kuya? Kasi siya yung pinaka-pogi sa magkakapatid. Super caring niya sa family, especially to his own family, and super bait niyan na tao. Again, happy birthday! Ingat kayo palagi!
Ready?
Yes!
I have a question.
Okay.
Okay, first question. What do you miss about Tito Ayan? Okay, Maddie.
Funny.
Chen?
Beautiful. Teka lang.
Kuya?
Mami.
Kalokohan!
Ronan?
I miss his smile.
Kala ko ay si Bim.
And also, don't forget the Jack Bean.
O, ikaw, Lola.
Ano sasabihin ko? Basta I miss you.
Ikaw, Chen.
I love you.
I love you, I miss you.
His funny side.
Okay, what is your birthday wish for Tito Ayan? Who wants to go first? Maddie? Go, Maddie. Be healthy, kuya.
Stay healthy and stay happy.
Okay. Meron.
I wish you to be strong and to be always funny always.
Maddie, do you have any others?
No.
Okay, Daddy.
Kuya Ayan, my wish for you is,
Bring back Jack Bean.
malakas na pangatawan always dahil gusto pa namin kayo makasama dito.
At gusto niya kasi
Siyempre,
mag-inuman kayo.
magkadagat uli pa tayo eh.
And Lola.
Magkaroon na malusog na pangatawan.
Tagalog siya.
Habang buhay. At malusog na kaisipan.
And what? And the last question is, what does Tito Ayan?
Ha? What does make him special?
Oh, sige. What does make him special? Sige, go. Okay, Chen.
Because he is a special kid.
How about you, Maddie?
Ayoko, ito muna.
Oh.
Because he's my specialty.
Oh. Okay, Maddie.
Because he is my special tito.
Wow. Okay, Daddy.
No comment. Copy-paste na lang ako.
How about you, Lola?
Unico iyo, I love you.
Yes! Sara mo.
Isa pa.
Oh, why do you love Tito Ayan, Maddie?
After funny.
Because he's funny?
Yes.
How about you, Chen?
Because he is caring and
Wow!
loving.
Wow! How about you, Kuya?
Dahil kapamilya ko siya.
How about you?
Siyempre, he is so kind.
How about you, Lola?
Dahil lagi ngayon ng oh, sorry.
Only boy na pamangin.
Yeah.
What's your wish for for Tito Ayan, Lola?
Yun nga, good health.
Sinabi na talaga.
How about you? What do you want to say more, Maddie?
Stay healthy, stay
Stay
strong.
healthy.
And
Joy Hope.
Love, joy, hope.
okay, what do you want to say again?
Happy birthday, Tito Ayan! Don't forget my Jack Bimbo.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, my dear brother, Mama Chup Chup! Woo!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Ayan!
Happy birthday, Tutu!
Happy na birthday pa. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday, Kuya Brian! Dahil ito ay iyong karawan, sagot ko na ang iyong tagayan. Aba, ay pumili ka na ng iyong itutumba at lahat yan ay para sa iyo laan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa'yo, Brian. Ang bati namin sa iyo, nawa ay lumigaya ka. Ha ha ha. Happy birthday sa'yo, Insan. More blessing, more birthdays, and hope all your wishes come true. Enjoy lang natin ang lakbay ng ating buhay. Tingnan mo naman, suit na suit ako para sa birthday mo. At dahil dyan, Ito ang para sa'yo dahil gold label ka na! Happy birthday! Kung saan man natin ito inumin, bahala ka na!
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian! Welcome to the Maintenance Club!
Happy 50th birthday, Brian. More blessings sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. And ingat kayo dyan and God bless.
To Brian, happy birthday. You have more engines to come, more birthdays to come. God bless. Happy birthday, Brian!
Happy birthday, Tito Brian!
Happy birthday, Tito Brian. Hope to see you soon again.
Hi, Tito Brian. Happy birthday. We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Hopefully, pretty soon, makapunta kami dyan ulit for a vacation.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian. And wishing you more birthdays to come. And yeah, sana makapunta ulit kami dyan para makapag-video okay ulit. And beer, of course. Happy
Ingat
birthday.
lagi. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Tito Brian. I just want to say happy birthday to you. And I wish you all the best. Keep safe in there. And I hope makita po tayo next year if bakasyon po ako nun. And yun lang po. Keep safe always.
Hello, paring Brian. Kamusta kayo diyan? Ang tagal na ng panahon na hindi tayo nakikita. Ilang taon na? Inabot ka na ng 50 years old. Ang tagal na. Pero magkaganon pa man ay sana pagka next na umuwi tayo ng Pilipinas ay tayo ay makita. Dahil lagi tayong busy pag umuwi ng Pilipinas. Kumusta ang iyong family diyan? Sana ay okay kayong lahat diyan. At sana ay okay ang lahat sa inyo diyan. So, parang Brian, happy 50th birthday. This is a milestone in your life. So, enjoy and have a great celebration with your family and friends in Birmingham. So, ingat kayo diyan and God bless. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat diyan and ingat.
Hi Brian, greetings here from Texas.
Happy birthday! May your milestone be filled with love, laughter, superhero awesomeness, and lifelong friendship.
Cheers to you.
Happy birthday!
Hello, Bri. Welcome to this club. Now you're officially a member of this club. All the best. Have a fantastic celebration. Happy birthday to you.
To Brian, I'm wishing you the best golden 50th birthday. May all your wishes come true and you have a good cake to eat. Happy birthday from Eliza.
Happy birthday, Tito. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for being such a supportive godfather to me and also supporting your family and friends throughout all these years. I wish you the best happiness and health for many years to come.
Hi, Bri. Happy birthday. Well, from the Lacorte family, me, Wilbert, Louie, and Buddy, happy birthday, paring Bri. Great health in the years to come and all the best wishes for a good person like you. You well deserve everything great in this world. And see you soon. And we all love you. God bless. Happy birthday again, paring Bri.
Hi Tito, I just want to say happy birthday for reaching this huge milestone in your life. Just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for everything that you've done for me and our whole family. Over the years, you've always been there, giving your time, your effort and your heart, especially during big moments in our lives. I know that at my debut, you played a really big role in the production, and I'm just so grateful that you were able to help produce such a beautiful video for me and my family to watch. You always have this way of bringing out confidence in people, and you're such a natural entertainer. It's so nice when we get to come over and do karaoke. Just the way that you can just bring so much joy into the room is just such a nice feeling, and it's memories that we will always cherish in our lives. As we celebrate your 50th birthday, I just wish you good health, and I pray that God continues to guide you, give you strength, and continues to give you strong faith for this next chapter in life. God bless always, Tito. Happy birthday.
Hi! Happy 50th birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, paring Brian! Oh, magkaedad na tayo. Aminin. What? Oh, namimiss namin kayong lahat dyan. Lalo na in this very special occasion of yours, na golden birthday mo na. Wish we're there.
Yeah.
Kung pwede lang kaming pumunta dyan.
Yeah, I know.
Wala. I'm sad pero maligaya pa rin.
Punta na kayo dito. Maganda dito.
Come here.
Yeah. And
Walang
just-
snow. Oh.
Yeah.
Laging hindi ka magja-jacket na makapal eh.
Yun lang ang ano dito, ang kagandahan dito. Other than that, well, iba pa rin dyan, of course. Most especially sa inyong lahat dyan. Walang kapantay. Yeah.
Miss na namin pagdi-DJ mo, parang Brian, yung ating mga inuman session
and ating kantahan session.
Yeah, everything.
Everything.
Anyway,
I miss.
parang Brian, happy birthday.
And we thank
We
you.
love you.
We love you.
We love you.
We love.
Wait.
Oh, Ninang
Ayan.
Brian.
Yan.
Yes.
Bye.
Wala si Ethan, di pa bumati.
Bati ka dyan.
Oh, bati ka na kay Ninang Brian. Did you greet him already?
Happy birthday. I think we...
Oh, sorry. I didn't hear that.
Okay.
All right. We love you, and we love you all.
We miss you. When we go back to the UK,
LLGB family.
we'll come back to the UK.
Mwah.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy golden
birthday.
birthday.